What's good, y'all? Back with Streetz, Freestyle Cooking with Streetz. Got another dinner I'm sharing with y'all, of course. Something quick, something nice, something good, something easy. Okay? We're going to get right into it. As you can see, I got some wings sitting out on the table. We're going to make some honey garlic chicken, street style. That's how we doing it, y'all. Okay? And we probably going to do a side of cauliflower. You know, we're trying to be on the healthy side. Okay? Got some special cauliflower up on deck. All right? So we're going to go right in. I got my chicken wings now. I already had a couple of breasts that I marinated, put away and all that. But for the purpose of the video, I said, so y'all can see how I did the marinade and everything, I got the wings. That's going to go with the breast. All right? All right, so I got my wings clean, had it dry, everything ready to go. Let's get the seasoning on. Okay, so first I'm going to add some salt. And for this amount of wings, I'm going to use about a teaspoon and a half of salt, y'all. All right, teaspoon and a half of salt. All right, next, some black pepper. Okay, for this amount of wings, I'm gonna say about a teaspoon of pepper. Some of that slap your mama that I love. A teaspoon of that, y'all. All right, got some smoked paprika. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of that. Okay, I got some ginger. Go ahead and do a teaspoon of that. Got some garlic powder. Another teaspoon. Alright, got my adobo seasoning. Another teaspoon. Alright, now I'm going to add some soy sauce. It's about a tablespoon. A tablespoon. Got some ketchup. Another tablespoon. Got my, you can use whatever kind of hot sauce you got. I got this Green Dragon hot sauce from Trader Joe's. Get that up in there. Teaspoon of that. Okay, and I got some honey. I'll do 2 tablespoons of honey, y'all. Alright. Boom, we're ready to go. I'll go ahead and mix this all up, y'all. Just mixed up real nice. Alright, now we're going to go ahead, and we got it all mixed up. We're going to let it marinate in the refrigerator for a half hour, y'all. Alright, half hour. Alright, y'all, while we got our chicken in the refrigerator marinating for a half hour, we're going to go ahead and get our cauliflower cut up. Alright, as you can see, I got an orange cauliflower and I got purple cauliflower. Okay, both good, both healthy, tastes better than the white cauliflower. You need to try it if you never had it before. Alright, but we're gonna hook this up and we're gonna roast it, y'all. We're gonna hook it up and have some roasted cauliflower. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start cutting them up in florets. know, it's no special way. Just, you know, get them, chop them up. Alright, y'all. Now that we got our cauliflower chopped up, we're going to go ahead and season it up. Go ahead and put a little bit of salt and pepper on there. About a teaspoon, y'all. Some pepper. About a half teaspoon. Teaspoon garlic powder. Alright, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil all over this, y'all. About a tablespoon of olive oil. Alright, go ahead and get it all coated up. Alright, we got it all coated up. I'm going to go ahead and get my roaster. Get it heated on up. We're going to roast these while our chicken is marinating. Alright, let's do it. Okay, people, got my roaster preheated up. Go ahead and get my cauliflower in there. Alright, now I got it on 450. Okay, so I'm going to let this stay on 450 for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring it down to 350. Alright, and I'm going to just let them do their thing for the rest of the time that the chicken has to marinate in the refrigerator. So that's like another 20 minutes, y'all. Alright, Freestyle Cooking with Streetz, man. The roasted cauliflower. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. It's been about 26 minutes. Time to go ahead and take our cauliflower up. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. There we go, y'all. About to get our chicken up in here. And I'm going to just set these aside in the microwave and keep them warm until our chicken is ready. Alright, there we go, y'all. Nice and roasted. And we'll go ahead and get our chicken up in there, y'all. Alright, now that we got our chicken up in the roaster, I'm going to go ahead and crank it up to 450. Okay, I'm going to let it ride on 450 for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to bring it down to 375 and let it rock out for another 30 minutes. Alright, so we're talking about roughly about an hour, y'all. Alright. Okay, people. It's been about an hour. Actually, it's been a little longer than an hour. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes altogether. Finally got our chicken done because, you know, I had flipped it. You know, during the course while I was cooking, I done flipped it. Checked on it a couple of times. So it actually went about like an hour and 20 minutes. But we're still good to go. Alright. Let's take a look at our chicken. Boom! Oh yeah. That's how we do it on Freestyle Cooking with Streetz, man. Alright, man. Now it's time to get this chicken out the roaster. To the plate, y'all. Let's do it. Got my chicken out the pan, looking real good and tasty. You know what I'm saying? With that honey marinade going on. Street style, man. That's how we doing it now. It's time to get this thing plated up, y'all, man. We've been waiting for this. Let's do it. But before I get my chicken plated up with my cauliflower, got some fresh parsley here, y'all. I'm just gonna chop this up because I'm gonna garnish my chicken with this parsley, y'all. You know what I mean? Just to keep it a little extra fancy, y'all. So it look real good. I mean, I know it already look good when it come out the pan and you ready to take a piece, but we gonna make it. We gonna bless it. Make it extra special. Just a little bit of fresh garlic to go ahead and garnish it on up. All right. And the chicken. And that's it, y'all. Just garnish it up. All right, y'all. There we go. Got the honey roasted chicken on deck. Garnished with the parsley, y'all. Ready to be served. Got our cauliflower, our purple and orange cauliflower. Ready to be served. You feel me? That's how we do it on Freestyle Cooking with Streetz, man. Hope y'all try this recipe. Subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Hit that notification for more videos to come. And enjoy, y'all. Let's do it.